Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. For today's video, I will share with you how I created this super cute treat bag for Halloween. I used first off the cat jelly tote bag. You can see it comes with all of these pieces to create a really cute tote bag. I know that Erica has a bunch of other tote bags in her collection, so check them out. If you like this one, you probably will love the other ones as well. But this one is formed like a cat, super easy to put together, and I will fill this up with a bunch of other goodies that I created with products from Diva that also was released this month. So I had a super fun time just creating and putting and like tucking stuff into this little tote after I had created it. So that is a really good like tip if you like to create sort of Halloween goodie bags. This one was super big, so you could fit a lot inside of it. After adhering the sides to my tote bag, I decided to go ahead and attach the bottom of the tote bag as well as the sides for the other sort of cat piece for this yellow tote. And to embellish it, to make it look even more Halloweeny, I took the Witch Hat Memory Decks hat. It was the perfect size to hide one of the ears of this tote bag. And you can see it has this little embellishment, which is really cute. And I just cut it out of some pattern paper and some matte gold cardstock. And I also embellished it with a spider. Really cute. You can see here how it looks. And to create the sort of back piece for my jelly tote bag, I just took a marker and draw around it and cut slightly underneath the lines, so it was a little bit smaller than the actual line, since this is the outside of the die, so it wouldn't be too big. So you can see here I had to trim it a little bit on one of the ears, but it was okay. For the goodies inside, I decided to create with the candy bag topper. This is the small one, and I will also create with a large one. So this one I created a shaker out of, and I had some twine to the edges of this one. For the other one, the large one, I will not create a shaker element, but I will create a bag topper with it. So you can see we will have a large and a small. And this is so super cute, and I love to use double-sided pattern paper for stuff like this because it's nice to have a variation and they coordinate really nicely. And also I think it's super sweet that you can see the paper on the inside if you would look through it. So for the larger candies, you can see how large these are. They would be really good embellishments for any project. I just cut a back piece of mirror cardstock just to have it on top, and it gave that beautiful sort of shine to it. And I just attached it to both of the sides. I have the heart and the stripes for this one. Really cute. And then when I'm done with this, I will bring out a couple of bags from my stash. These were bags that I purchased from Amazon a while back. So this is just a paper bag that I thought would fit nicely to have this bag topper on top of. You can see I sort of scored or increased the top line, and then I could just have it open until I put something inside it and give it away. For the smaller one, I just had this holographic, sorry about my camera going cray-cray over that holographic paper, but that was so cute on top of it. I also created a card for my tote bag. I used the pumpkins. This is a new set from Diva as well. And I will pair it with a sentiment. And also this one, actually, this sentiment will go on top of the bag. So I'm sorry I'm jumping around a little bit now. But this will go on top of my bag with the candy on top. Super cute. This one is called Hello Fall. And it was just the perfect size. I cut the shadow piece out of some paper, pattern paper, and then some gold metallic on top. Really nice. The same sort of paper I used for my candy. So you can see here how cute that turned out. Really sweet. I love that. And now I will continue with the pumpkin. Sorry about the jump around. And here is a cover plate. This is called A2 card box add-on Halloween. So there is a really cute card box that you can create with a previous release die, and there is actually more dies that has been released since then. But for today I didn't use it. I have used it in many other videos here on my YouTube channel if you like to go check those out. But I had it like a backdrop for my pumpkins, and I love the colors I used. I also created a tag. This is really cute. It's a haunted house. So yeah, I have a little guy inside of that. And then we have our witch hat. We have our small gift bags. And you can see how cute that is, all fitted into this tote bag. You can see the candy on the back side. And last we have the card that you can write something on the back for the recipient. So there we go. We had many projects in this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got inspired to create some gift tote like goodie bags for Halloween. I had a ton, and thank you so much for I had a blast. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I see you soon. Bye.